Good morning, everybody. Today we are going to start new topic, that is chasing the sea monster. In last period, I have given you essay and letter. So go through the video, write it, check it, and learn. This is very important from examination point of view, essay and letter. Now only 2 lessons are remaining for the first terminal exam: chasing the sea monster and great scientist. Okay, so today we are doing chasing the sea monster. You know, monster means what? Unearthly animal, fearsome creature. Monster. Okay. Monster means unearthly animal. Unearthly animal, fearsome creature, or you can say unknown creature. पता नहीं रहता. Fearsome. Huge glowworm, worm, or motionless animal. You can say motionless animal. Sea monster. Okay, so we are chasing the sea monster here. Now, see, our frigate wanted to go back, but the unearthly animal came at us with a speed double our own. We gasped, more stern than afraid. We stood mute and motionless. Now, frigate means what? Frigate. Frigate means small speedy ship used in the war. युद्ध में स्मॉल जो स्पीड से चलने वाली शिप यूज करते हैं उसे फ्रिगेट कहते हैं. ओके, फ्रिगेट, FRIGATE, frigate. Our frigate wanted to go back. Our frigate ship wanted to go back, but unearthly animal means sea monster. Monster आया, came at us with a speed double our own. हमारी स्पीड से उसकी स्पीड डबल थी. We gasped. हम बोल नहीं लगे, थोड़ा सा घबरा गए. More stern than afraid. अचानक स्टर्न, एकदम अचानक आ गया. We stood mute and motionless. हम म्यूट रह गए, बिल्कुल चुप, मोशनलेस. किसी ने कुछ इधर उधर नहीं गए, एक जगह वैसे के वैसे. The animal caught up with us, played with us. See, the animal caught up with us, played with us. It made a full circle around the frigate and wrapped us in sheet of electricity. पूरा सर्कल बना लिया और wrap up in a sheet of electricity that were like luminous dust. ऐसे पूरा wrap कर लिया. At any instant it could have dashed against our ship. किसी भी समय हमारे शिप को वो डैश कर सकता. Meanwhile, I was surprised to see that our warship was flipping, not fighting. Flip हो रही थी, not fighting. I commented on this commander Farragut. His face, ordinarily so emotionless, showed great astonishment. वो भी कमांडर एकदम एस्टोनिश, आश्चर्य में पड़ गया. Okay, astonished. Professor Arnox, he answered me, I don't know what kind of fearsome creature I am up against, and I won't want any frigate running foolish risk in all this darkness. मुझे पता नहीं है कौन सा क्रिएचर है, क्या है, मैं कुछ रिस्क नहीं ले सकता ये डार्कनेस में. सो आई वॉन्ट माई फ्रिगेट रनिंग फुलिश रिस्क. मेरी शिप, मेरी फ्रिगेट कुछ भी फुलिश रिस्क ले ले ऐसे डार्कनेस में, ये मुझे नहीं चाहिए. सो डिसाइड हाउ शुड वी अटैक दिस अननोन क्रिएचर, हाउ शुड वी डिफेंड अवरसेल्फ अगेंस्ट इट. सो क्वेश्चन इज देयर, हाउ शुड वी डिफेंड because of the unknown creature? How should we defend? How should we save ourselves? How should we attack this unknown creature? Let's wait for daylight. तो उन्होंने decide किया, we will wait up to the daylight, and then we will play a different role. फिर उसके बाद में हम different role play करेंगे. The whole crew stayed on their feet all night long. Crew means people working on the ship. Crew members जो शिप पे काम करते हैं उनको क्रू बोलते हैं. Stayed on their feet, वो वैसे की वैसे खड़े रहे. Stayed on all night long, पूरी रात भर. No one even thought of sleeping. किसी को नींद नहीं आई और किसी ने सोचा भी नहीं कि सोना है. No one even thought of sleeping. Unable to compete with the monster spirit. Compete कर ही नहीं सकते थे monster के spirit के साथ. Our frigate means our ship, the Abraham Lincoln, slowed down. Abraham Lincoln, he just slowed down. For its part, the animal mimicked the frigate, simply rode with the waves, but did not leave the field of battle. वहां पे ही था वो. He rode with the waves, but did not leave with the field of battle. However, near midnight it disappeared. Midnight होती है लेकिन वो दिख नहीं रहा था. Disappeared. Or to use a more appropriate expression, it went out. चला गया था. More appropriate क्या था? दिख नहीं रहा था ना, चला गया था. Like a huge glowworm. Worm कीड़ा, glowworm. बड़ा सा glowworm. Had it fled from us? वो भाग गया था. Had it fled? We don't know, and were filled with fear and hope at the same time, but at 12:53 a deafening hiss could be heard. Deafening hiss means ऐसे आवाज आया. Deafening hiss could be heard, resembling the sound made by a water spout exploded with tremendous intensity. जैसे जोर से ऐसे वाटर बाहर आ गया, ऐसे जोर से आवाज आया. With tremendous intensity. By then, Commander Frigate Ned Land and I were on the afterdeck, peering eagerly into the darkness. The writer is saying, I'm peering, I'm observing in the dark, into the darkness. Tell me, Ned Land, isn't that the noise? Cetaceans. Cetaceans means marine animal like a whale. Whale नहीं क्या, whale मासा जो रहता है ना सब, whale, WHALE whale, उसके जैसे ही रहता है cetaceans. Marine animal जो समुद्र में रहते हैं, सी में रहते हैं, marine animal, cetaceans. So ऐसा लगा कि वो noise cetaceans की है. Make when they spurt water from their blowwells. जो अपने इससे water जैसे गिरने से स्पर्ट वाटर सब जरा फैल जाता है. The very noise, sir, but this one's way louder. लेकिन ये उससे भी ज्यादा louder था. It is very loud. There is definitely a whale lurking in our water. Definitely एक whale है जो यहाँ पे है. Near 2 o'clock in the morning, the core of light reappeared. 2 बजे थोड़ा सा लाइट आने लगा. The core of the light, थोड़ा सा, core means थोड़ी सी. Okay. 5 miles away from the Abraham Lincoln. Just 5 miles away from the Abraham Lincoln. We stayed on the alert until daylight. सभी लोग alert थे. Stay alert until the daylight. Getting ready for action. Ready थे action करने के लिए. हम ready थे. We are getting ready for action. Whaling gear was set up along the railings. Railing, gear, सारा ship में set up था. Our chief officer loaded the blunderbusses. Blunderbusses. हमारे चीफ ऑफिसर्स ने क्या किया? रेडी किया ब्लेंडर glasses. Now here, what is the meaning of blunderbuses? Blunderbuses. Its meaning is a short, large bored gun firing balls or slug. एक गन रहती है जिसको एक्शन लेने के लिए और कुछ बड़ी से एक्शन लेने के लिए वे ऑफ डूइंग समथिंग रिगार्डेड एज लैकिंग और सेपरेटली प्रिसीजन, ऐसे कुछ लगता है उसके लिए गन ब्लंडरबसेस तो वो रेडी रखो चीफ ऑफिसर which can launch harpoons as far as mile and long duck guns, harpoons and duck guns. Here harpoons means what? Harpoon is a long spear like instrument and tool used in fishing. So harpoon, blunderbusses, duck guns, ये सारा रेडी रखो. Okay. Harpoon can also use as a weapon. फिशिंग में भी यूज होता है और एज ए वेपन यूज करते हैं, इसलिए उन्होंने सारी चीजें रेडी रखी. So Ned Land was content to sharpen his harpoon, his weapon, a dreadful weapon in his hand. It is a very dreadful weapon. At 6 o'clock, day began to break. And with the dawn's early light, dawn's early light, the animal's electric glow disappeared. जो भी animal ने वो electric glow वो रखा था shift, वो disappeared. At 7 o'clock, a very dense morning mist spread around us. Mist, थोड़े जो ये रहता है ना बूंदे जैसे, that is spread around us. Our best spy glasses were unable to pierce it. The outcome disappointed and anger. That outcome was very disappointing and anger. सबको इतना गुस्सा है, सब लोग रात भर जगे थे. Okay. What the outcome? Outcome was disappointment, only disappointment and anger. Okay. At 8 o'clock, the mist rolled away and the horizon grew wider and clear. So wider and clear हो गया 8 o'clock. Suddenly, the Ned Land's voice could be heard. Ned Land की voice आई. There is the thing in question astern to port. The harpooner shouted. Every eye looked toward the point indicated. जहाँ पे वो पॉइंट कह रहे सब जन वहां देखते हैं. Every eye looked toward the point indicated. There, a mile and half from the frigate ship से 1 mile और half mile, a long blackish body emerged. A meter. A long blackish body emerged. आ रही थी ऊपर. Okay, a meter above the waves. Waves के ऊपर एक blackish body आ रही. Quivering violently, its tail was creating a considerable current. Quailing means quivering violently. Its tail was creating a considerable current. Tail में ऐसे एक current जैसा, considerable current. What the crew members doing? The crew members are waiting impatiently for orders from their leader. Later, after carefully observing the animal, ordered the engineer to sail full steam towards the animal. Sail full steam means sail at full speed. उसके पास जाना. Okay. So ऐसे order दिया कि चलो उसके पास वो क्या है exactly हम देखते हैं. We want to see that. what was blackish body that emerged a meter above the waves? वो क्या है? So they were immersed to sail with a full stream, full speed में वहाँ वो animal के पास जा रहे हैं सारे. Okay. So after this, we will. I have given you explanation, but we will stop because the lesson is quite big. Only yes, 2.5 pages is there remaining. So we will do that. Chasing the sea monster. Chasing means उसके पीछे पीछे जाना. Okay. That's why the ship, as soon as the leader ordered, they were sailing with the full speed to that monster. Okay. So we'll stop here. Tomorrow we'll continue the same list. Okay, remaining. Your homework is just read the lesson. It's very important. Just read the lesson. Understood? So we'll stop here. Remaining lesson we will complete it tomorrow in next video. Okay, bye.